Guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, is going to be a continuation of our Couponing 101 series. You guys know that Couponing 101 videos are my favorite videos to do on this channel, where we talk all things how to coupon. So you guys may or may not know, but 2020 is actually my 10-year couponing anniversary, if that is a thing. So I've been couponing for exactly 10 years. And I was thinking about recently, like, what are those things that I wish somebody had told me 10 years ago when I was getting into this? Of course, I've learned these lessons and these secrets over the past 10 years, but it would have been nice had somebody tapped me and told me these things 10 years ago so that I didn't have to learn a lot of them the hard way. So we're going to get into that today, and I'm going to share with you 5 couponing secrets that nobody really talks about when it comes to couponing. A lot of times if you meet an extreme couponer, we will talk about all of the, good things about couponing, getting a bunch of stuff for free, but nobody really talks about what it really takes to make that happen. So today's video, we're going to discuss just that. So before we get into the first secret, I just want to review what couponing is for those of you guys who may not have seen my Couponing 101 video and don't really have a concept of what extreme couponing is. So what couponing is not going into the store with coupons that you clip from the paper or your digital coupons, randomly picking up items that match those coupons and going to checkout. That is not couponing. Couponing is when you take an item that is on sale for its rock bottom price. So not just a regular sale, you want it to be a good sale, and then you match that sale up with additional coupon savings. That is what couponing is when you match up a rock bottom price with additional coupon savings. And we're going to talk a little bit about just how many different types of coupon savings there is, because couponing has levels. There's levels to this thing. And that's the first thing that you need to know about couponing. So the first secret is that the true art of couponing requires that you understand how to stack. And so a lot of people hear stack and they think it's some term that may be fraudulent or using more than one manufacturer coupon on an item, and it's really not. Stacking the right way will get you a lot of items for free or really cheap, and it's completely legal to do. So what stacking is when you combine a number of different savings offer in order to bring an item down to a super low or free price. So what does that look like in real life? So that means if I go into CVS and I buy this Axe body wash, which I recently did, let's say that this Axe body wash, the normal price on it is $5.79. And that is the price at CVS. So let's say it's on sale at CVS for $3.99 instead of the $5.79. So there we have a nice sale price. So that's what we want. So now we know we're looking for our coupons. So we have a sale price of $3.99. I want to add in a manufacturer coupon. So this may be a coupon that I've printed from coupons.com or a coupon that I've gotten from the Sunday newspaper. Let's say it's for $1.50 off. Okay, so now we're cooking with grease. We got that $3.99, we got it down to $2.50. That's nice. But now I'm looking for a CVS store coupon. So let's say CVS has a store coupon for $2 off of any body wash. So I'm going to add that into the mix. So now it's already at $2.49. I'm going to bring that $2 CVS coupon in there, and I'm down to 50-cent body wash. So we have a sale price savings, we have manufacturer coupon savings, and we have the CVS coupon savings, and we're at 50-cent body wash. So that's 3 different offers that we're stacking. But then we want to add an additional offer on it, and we want to redeem a rebate. So we may redeem a rebate on Ibotta, which is a cashback rebate system, or Fetch, and get another $1 back. So what happens is we've paid 50 cents after our coupon savings in the store, and then we redeemed for cash back on one of our rebate systems, and we've gotten another $1 back. So that brought this body wash down from $3.99 on sale all the way down to it being free, plus I'm making 50 cents for purchasing it. That is the art of stacking. And this is why understanding the art of stacking is so important, because someone who's not an experienced couponer may see the sales ad says, hey, this body wash is on sale for $3.99, and say, oh my goodness, I have $1.50 off coupon. And you walk in and you pay your $2.49 for this body wash, and you think you're doing good, when really you're hustling backwards because you left money on the table. The money comes in searching for all the available coins out there. You want to look and make sure that you're not missing any money. So you look for the manufacturer coupon, you look for the sale price, you look for the rebate offer, you look for the store offer, and you use all of them at the same doggone time. And that is a secret about how to get to the money and maximum savings as a couponer. And talking about stacking is a great segue into my second couponing secret, and that is couponing takes a lot of time. It is very time consuming. And I feel like a lot of people don't talk about just how long it takes to be an extreme couponer. I spend hours every single week clipping coupons, getting my deals together, researching sales ads, researching all of the available money that is available. I feel like a lot of times when I make my YouTube videos, you guys get a 10-minute experience of me being in the store. You see my totals go up, you see my totals go down, and it seems quick and simple and easy. As a matter of fact, you guys leave me comments all the time like, oh my gosh, you make this look so easy. But the truth of the matter is, I spend hours every single week getting these deals together and getting them prepared. So if you're somebody who is not a couponer right now or thinking about getting into couponing, or you're a new couponer, the time commitment is something that you really want to think about ahead of time. And it's something, like I said, that a lot of people don't talk about, because you really need to have a key goal in mind for how much money that you want to save for your family. So if you want to be a casual couponer, you want to save $50, $100 a month from couponing, then you may not have to put in the same amount of time as somebody like me who wants to save hundreds of dollars each week from couponing. That is a different type of commitment, but you have to ask yourself those questions and identify what type of couponer you want to be so that you can determine how much time you're willing to spend doing this. Everybody has some time to get some additional savings, but it's what type of savings you want in order to determine that time commitment. For me, before I go into CVS on Sunday, for instance, I can spend 3 hours getting all of those deals together, researching everything just to make sure that I don't leave any money on the table. I do my research, I spend those hours getting everything together, getting organized, and then I may spend another hour in the store with the whole process of getting everything and checking out. So that could be 4 hours worth of time on a Sunday in order to save $160. So if I've saved $160 and I've spent 4 hours worth of time, in my mind, the way that I feel about it is I saved $40 for every single hour that I put in, and that is worth it to me. But you have to determine based on what your savings, whether it's worth it to you. The next couponing secret that I want to talk about is the fact that you can mess around if you are not careful and spend more money by couponing than you would if you were not a couponer. A lot of people don't talk about that, just how much money they are spending. And typically, the reason that they are spending too much money is because they do not have a budget. I have talked before on this channel about, having a couponing budget, the importance of having a couponing budget, how to create a couponing budget. I will link that video up on the screen. But if you are a couponer, matter of fact, if you're doing anything that involves your coin, you need to have a budget. Couponing is no different. Couponing is highly addictive, and it is very easy to fall into the misconception that because you're spending $5 here or $7 here or $10 here, or, oh, my favorite, I see people do this all the time, they're spending $30 or $40 out of pocket, but saying, oh my goodness, I'm getting, $20 in store rewards back. So it really only means I'm spending $10 out of pocket. No, my friend, you are spending $30 to $40 out of pocket. Trading it for store money does not make it free. You are still spending your money. And so a lot of people don't talk about the impact that spend can have on your bottom line. That is a very, very dangerous line to walk, to be moving out here without a couponing budget. You guys know that I am very faithful to low out-of-pocket deals. You'll never catch a deal on this channel where I'm like, oh, we're gonna go spend $50, but we're gonna get $40 back. I don't play those type of games. I have to have a low out of pocket in order for this to make sense, because otherwise I could just walk into the dollar store and do my shopping. I need a low out of pocket in order to be a successful couponer. And so it's important that you make sure that you're following the right people who can share some deals with you that are actually going to save you money, instead of having you swipe that card again and again. Because I don't care what you're getting back. If you're swiping that card more than you would have swiped it prior to being a couponer, you're doing this thing wrong. Another secret that a lot of extreme couponers will not tell you is that you have to have relationships in these stores in order to be a successful extreme couponer. Now, a lot of times, if you are going in just to be a casual couponer, you're just going to be using a couple coupons in the store. It will not matter if you don't know anybody in the store, they don't know you. But if you want to do some extreme couponing, you really need to know the store, and they need to know, like, and trust you. I think the TLC Extreme Couponing Show did a lot of damage to, our reputation as couponers, because it made a lot of people think that they could just load up carts and carts worth of stuff and hand over all these coupons and that the stores would actually take them. My friends, that is not how it works in the real world. If you go into a store with a big stack of coupons, like the stacks that I use every single week, and they don't know, like, and trust you, they are going to press the security button. They are not going to allow you to leave with all of that product. You have to have relationships in those stores in order for transactions like that to actually work. You might be saying, well, how do I build relationships like that? There's a lot of different ways, but you want to start by being friendly, by being nice, just by being kind. I always go above and beyond to be very, very nice to my store employees. I always call in compliments on them to the corporate office as a sign of appreciation for them always being patient with my couponing transactions. I actually share my coupons with them. I share my couponing product with them, and I teach them how to do what I do. All of those things help us build a solid relationship, and they know that what I'm doing is legit because I'm teaching them how to do it too. That is how you build relationship. So you really have to take that into consideration if you want to do this on a massive scale, because without relationship, it just won't work. Other relationships that you may want to consider if you want to be an extreme couponer that people do not tell you about is that you need to have a relationship with a connect to some coupon inserts. So somebody who can get you some coupon inserts for free or cheap. And you also need to have a connect with someone who can get you some internet printable coupons for free or cheap. All four previous couponing secrets lead me directly into the fifth and final secret, which is a pretty simple secret that a lot of people will not tell you about couponing, and that is that couponing is hard. It's hard, y'all. It's hard as heck to do all of the things that I have just talked about in this video in order to be resourceful enough to build those relationships, to do the research that's needed, to set a budget, to be okay when things go wrong with couponing, because I can guarantee you that things are gonna go wrong. There's going to be some times where you want to curse out the cashier instead of being friendly. All of that comes with couponing. So it's hard, but I also want to let you know that it's worth it. If you are familiar with my own personal couponing story, I have shared that on this channel and why I do this and why I started doing this. I will tell anybody and everybody that couponing has kept the lights on for me and paid our mortgage on more than one occasion. That's how powerful couponing can be if you utilize it in the right way. So it's definitely worth it, but it's hard, y'all. It really is hard, but it's worth it, and it's fun and it's rewarding all at the same time. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and join my coupon family if you have not already by hitting that subscribe button. I thank you so much for watching today's video, and as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.